guys, this is going to be a quick tutorial. I'm on a great spot right now. I'm on my way home actually, and I just saw a whiskered tern playing on this small pond right here, and I realized this would be, oh, there was a nice dive. Going to be a great chance of giving you guys a tutorial on which is how to shoot birds on aerial flight. Now I'm just gonna make this quick. I'm gonna show you my settings. Basically, when it comes to your shutter speed, oh, sorry for the lighting. Basically, when it comes to your shutter speed, make sure that you have at least 1/2000 on the shutter speed. At least 1/2000, because that is how you're going to pause a really fast bird. Like the whisker tern right now, it's really fast and it's really necessary to capture it with every detail. And then I usually just leave my ISO on automatic, and then I shoot at AI servo or at continuous autofocus, and of course at high burst rate mode. Also on spot metering, so that my exposure is going to be where I point it, which is basically the bird. And the bird is the whisker tern, which is a little bit light, so I'm gonna focus on that. So this has been it, quick tutorial only. Shoot, practice, and also make sure that your position is great. The air is blowing behind me, which means the bird is going to fly towards me. Remember that birds usually fly against the wind. I'm sorry for the bad audio. I'm on the side of the road. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and subscribe, like, and share, and keep on shooting. And till next time, I'm gonna continue shooting here. Also shoot at multiple autofocus points. That actually helps. I recommend you guys shoot with autofocus points. If you have like cross type, if you can shoot multi-points. If not, you can either just use single point, that works too. Right now I'm at 4,000 over shutter speed because I have enough light. The sun is behind me, the wind is behind me. I'm in perfect condition. So I'm just gonna continue here now.